Hey guys, this is China B. Today I'm showing you how to make hot cocoa bombs. So I'm starting with a 6-dome silicone mold and I'm using Ghirardelli dark chocolate. This honestly is the best chocolate to use for this because it creates a shell that you want and it honestly tastes better than compound chocolate like Wilton or any other chocolates. I started by melting this according to the package directions, and I am going to put a spoonful of the chocolate into each dome mold. Then, using the back of my spoon, I'm just going to smooth the chocolate up to that little lip. This will help with stability and so you can close the domes together later. Now I tap it a bit just to get the air bubbles out, and I'm going to flip it over and around just to make sure that the whole dome is coated completely. Then I'm going to take a palette knife and just scrape off the excess chocolate so that when I go to close the domes later, they will match up. Now I've flipped over the mold and let it set at room temperature for about 10 minutes. You do not need to put this in the refrigerator. So you flip it over after 10 minutes. You should have some nice shells. And we're going to pop these out gently. And to avoid fingerprints, I have gloves on my hands, also for sanitary reasons. So I'm stretching out the mold and gently pushing under it to pop the dome out. Now it's time to fill our half domes with hot cocoa mix. So this is hot cocoa mix straight from the packet. I'm using about a teaspoon in each dome. You honestly don't need that much because we use dark chocolate with this. Then the second best part is the mini marshmallows. I try to stuff as many as I possibly can into each dome because who doesn't love marshmallows with their hot cocoa? And in one of the cocoa bombs, I'm going to use Salted Caramel by Smucker's. This is my personal favorite. You let me know in the comments if you try it, how you like the Salted Caramel one. And in the other one, I'm going to cram it with some crushed peppermints for a peppermint chocolatey bomb. Now on to the decorations. For the first hot cocoa bomb, I have some white chocolate in a parchment bag, like a small parchment pocket, and I'm just going to string it over the top. Now for the salted caramel, since that is the special one in my heart, I am dusting it with a bit of edible gold luster dust. And then I'm going to just use the leftover dark chocolate that I had to make some string stripe decorations over the gold luster dust. Oh, and I added some gold sugar on top of that. Now for the peppermint mocha bomb, I tried these Wilton candy melts that came in the packet that you just heat up in the microwave. Honestly, didn't like it. The consistency, it just didn't work for me, but I added crushed peppermints on top of that. Now it is time to close our shells together. I have a small skillet that I have heated up just a tad. You don't need to heat it up that much. I have some cupcake liners that I'm using to put the finished cocoa bombs in, and I take 1/2 of the dome and press it, well, not really press it, but gently, ever so gently, turn it on the heated skillet so that the chocolate melts just a little bit. You don't want to change the shape of the dome, but you want to melt the chocolate so it creates a seal with the other shell. Then gently pick it up, press it together. You don't need that much pressure, and you put it in your cupcake liner, and voila. That was pretty easy, right? I will leave a link to all of the products that I used in the description box below. Let me know if you are trying this new trendy way to eat hot cocoa.